Well, what's your next trick, Mike?
Let it set. I told it enough.
You're supposed to have those things running before you come out here.
Well, it was. Hate dirt bikes.
Oh. You got extra flag. Got 90, 360.
Railroads are bigger. All the way to the north and everywhere. Get your tank, Tommy!
Those one of yours plugs are bigger than this one. I don't know why they do that.
Are you ready yet? If you will. No! Wreck it.
Everybody's gonna go hide.
Yeah. You guys ready to go?
No, Daddy!
Where's my helmet at?
Dad, here, take a ride!
So you had it.
Daddy, I didn't take a ride!
You had
Just
it.
kidding!
Just wait. Just wait.
Still in there?
Go the dry legs.
We'll go dry lake for it.
You guys take turns riding this one. Make sure you shift it, that's all.
You can ride. Your dad's gonna take that, isn't he?
Why are you doing that?
So I can take your picture. What are you trying to hide for, Mikey? I see you drinking that Coke.
I know.
You have to wait your dad gets back.
There's my brother.
Yeah, he's riding out there, huh?
He's right there.
Yeah.
I can see him.
Hi. How are you, Joe?
Paid attention.
So that guy, did he stop and pick you up, or did you ask him for a
Oh,
ride?
he saw us pick us up.
Oh.
Wedged in
3
there.
other people passed
Yeah.
us.
Huh? Yeah.
What's that?
Not enough oil in the gas.
Back to fishing.
Yeah, I know it.
Oh, what the guy told you, didn't you?
No, she had another show.
What?
Well, you can probably fly. They signed up for 30 feet one. That problem with